Brandon,
Take
don't
like
hold
spicy
it.
food.
No, don't do
Brandon,
it.
you just really.
There you go.
Okay, hold it. Go, go.
Hang on.
No. Brandon, imagine being forced. Imagine being.
Oh God, I just licked it. It's
No,
hot.
just do it. Do it.
Careful with
Don't
the milk.
spill the milk.
Imagine. Brandon, do it so I can get it on camera. Do it.
Just like
Do it. Go. Do it.
Wait.
Sydney will eat like 3 or 4 at a time.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I'm gonna feed it to you. Just what my dad did.
Okay, right here.
I'm gonna feed it to you.
Bella,
It's
stop.
gonna be funny. She'd be like,
Go. Go.
Go.
Just
Oh,
pretend
we
you're.
did it. She was gonna bite it.
what?
Oh, you spit it out?
It's hot.
You spit it
No,
out.
really.
Ew, he spit it out. Dad,
Oh God.
Brandon,
Throw
you
hair in
need
your
to
chest.
chew it. You need to actually chew it. I'm gonna
All right,
force
I'll
it.
eat it again.
Are you
Oh.
serious?
Wait.
No, you can eat a different one.
It's the seeds that are hot.
Brandon.
Eat a different one. Give me a different one. I'm gonna wash my hands.
No, babe.
Brandon, eat a different one. Eat it, do a different one, that
Bella, just be quiet.
you have to
Did
bite
you eat
it.
it or did you swallow it?
He-
You can't have the poo-poos later,
Yeah,
Brandon.
you need to
Nice.
do it.
Okay, listen, Brandon.
Okay. Here we
You
go.
need to chew it. Chew it.
Fine.
Chew it.
Take it like a man. Or a woman.
I did it. It's gone.
Show the camera, show the camera.
But you just swallowed it. You didn't.
No, I didn't.
You didn't do it.
No, Mom, you know I can't swallow stuff without chewing.
It has to be way hot.
Brandon, it's the size of a pea.
No, I can't even do that. I can't even do that with like medicine. I can't.
Let's eat one again. He's not hot.